Once gestation ends, the sow is moved to the farrowing pen, where she gives birth to healthy piglets. The care process for the piglets begins immediately. Staff prepare clean pens and ensure sanitary conditions, and all necessary tools and equipment are ready for the newborns. As soon as the piglets are born, they begin nursing from their sow. The first milk produced after birth, known as colostrum, is a crucial nutritional source that boosts the piglets' immune systems. Rich in natural antibodies, this milk protects the piglets from diseases during their early life. Ensuring an adequate intake of colostrum is essential for their healthy development. The animal care staff also continuously monitor the sow's health throughout the nursing process. This not only helps maintain the sow's condition so she can continue to care for the piglets, but also ensures that the newborns receive a strong, healthy start in life.